Hello and welcome to another vlog. This will be part 2 of our Snowdonia kind of trip. My feet are absolutely killing me. I currently have 6 plasters on them, but we're going to persevere and get through it because it wouldn't be an adventure if I didn't mess up my feet. Today I think, whilst the weather is semi-decent, we're going to go and see a waterfall and potentially some caves. Tomorrow we might be looking at a lake, but to be honest I'll just show you instead of telling you in advance. And I'll just kind of, yeah, see you as we go along.
Started by a baker feeding arms forward, carried by a curse he was treating. You on the forefront bearing arms for my teeth. Baby, would you die for my country?
As you can see, it's a lovely day, nice and rainy, perfect day to visit the beach. Yeah, so obviously plans slightly changed because of the rain. You probably can't hear what I'm saying, however, yeah, we'll see what we can do tomorrow in terms of everything else, but for now this is another chance for me to wear this coat, so it's all good. Quick stop by the side of the road while the sun is actually out. That's when we get there, it probably won't be. So this is what it does look like in the sun. Just don't run in the road, kids. Whatever you do. I got in trouble for that once. Okay. What are you doing? Snack? Just had lunch. What do you mean snack?
She always eats.
This is not a designated snack break.
Are you mocking me? It's a good snack though. I was gonna offer you.
So this is Newquay, very pretty. Newquay, Wales, obviously, not Newquay, Cornwall. I assume it's pronounced Newquay. There are some dolphins, but I don't have a big camera, so I can't show you them. And I can't really see them, but apparently they're there. What did you get?
I got a Milky Bar and a Bailey's one.
Oh, what did you
I
get?
got Oreo and banoffee pie.
Mmm.
Staycation around Ireland. Well, the questions ain't that hard. In fact, I can tell you right now that they can answer your question with 3 maps and they answer the question number 8. Remember that.
7 and €1.09. The weather, rain for central and northern England, dry and warm in the southeast, but brighter now for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and a high of 23 degrees. From Global's newsroom, I'm Bill Overton.
And just like that, we're back in the fog. Very strange. Ah. They've also recently gravelled this road, and apparently the speed limit is 10 miles an hour, which I find a bit bizarre. So far, woman has not made fire. It's already gone out. I don't think, like, for my expertise, I don't think they've given us enough like fire starters. Like, I think for someone at a novice level, you need a few more. Okay, there we go. What way to go?
Nice little seating area there.
Oh, I didn't realise we had that space.
How did I?
Maybe we can eat there if the sun is nice this morning. So right now we are at Dolgoch Falls, which is like a series of 3 waterfalls with some caves. Also along the side there's a bit of a railway which goes along. It's very mossy here, which I like. The sun is out, which is also good. I'm wearing nicer shoes. Feet are still a bit sore, but we're trying to persevere. Yeah, I'll insert some clips now. Okay, so now, slightly bitten off more than I wanted to chew. We're going to see a lake, and that apparently involves hiking up a hill. Hill my ass. But anyway, there's a helicopter above, so I don't know if you can hear me. But that's what we're doing. We had to go into Towin first because we didn't have any money for the car park. So we had to go and withdraw some money and then come back. We actually tried to come here first, but we ended up going to waterfalls, which I just showed you first. So now we're doing hill and lake. You can hear what I'm saying. I don't know, it's quite pleasant though because there's like a waterfall just to the right hand side of me and there's a lovely breeze, so I'm glad it's not sunny. A bit of rain wouldn't go amiss either, although I don't want to speak too soon because I don't want it to be raining on the descent. Hold on, I'll just show you the waterfall. Wait. So there it is. Yeah, it's beautiful. I just have the worst eyebrows and the worst breathing ever. So I shouldn't find things like this hard, but annoyingly I do. I think we're almost there. And by we, I mean me. Because Daniela is way by front and Beck is back there somewhere. But I think we've got to our viewpoint. We're not doing the whole hike. To be honest, I'm pretty dead after Snowdon. I'm hoping this is the viewpoint. If it's not, then I'm fuming. Oh dear.